everybody. We are once again in the village of St. Catherine. That's their pool area. And we are heading to a brand new set of patio villas. And we thought we'd come check them out and bring you along with us. Still lots of construction going on right here. But here we go. And this is the Fussell Villas, the second patio villa neighborhood in the village of St. Catherine. They say they have some new floor plans in here, so we were going to look for that. Lots of two-car garages in here. They've got this big wall that surrounds the entire patio villa neighborhood. This neighborhood also has tankless water heaters on the sides of the homes, so it doesn't take up any space in the house or in the garage area. We also think that this is the village of St. Catherine is a gas village. We got gas. Now notice on this driveway or carport, it's almost double in size. Standard carport size in comparison. I think they call these here the porte-cochere, which is just a fancy, probably French word for carport, but it sounds prettier. This is our model. It's a Haven. We love the colors on that. Nice big grass area here on the side. And there's that wall that surrounds the whole villa area. And here's another one, our Haven model, but it has the extended carport on it to the right of the golf cart garage. So it's like a double carport. You can get two cars under there. what it looks like down between the homes. This neighborhood is also really close to the recreation center with their pool and bocce ball courts and all that fun stuff. So both Patio Villa neighborhoods are pretty close to the pool.